support them. What's your name?
Fatima.
Fatima and? Okay, Aisha and Fatima. Let's do music! So hard decision. What is this? Okay, both of you, stand up. Okay, since you both like to share this chair, you will share the prize. Clap your hands. Both of them are winners.
Yay!
Okay, congratulations! One for you and one for her. Okay. Okay, say thank you.
Thank you. Eid Mubarak.
Alright, clap your hands! Okay.